good? In this video, I will be showing you how to embed Vimeo video on Wix. So the first thing you want to do is go into Vimeo. So let's say, for example, this is the video that we would like to embed. All you'll need to do now is copy the video URL. So let's copy the video URL real quick. Then you're going to go back into Wix, and from here you're going to decide where you would like to put the video. So let's say, for example, in this section right here. After you have decided where you would like to put the video, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the plus that says add elements. After tapping on the plus, I want you to select video and music. Then you're going to select single video players. After doing that, you're going to select Vimeo. So you're going to simply drag and place the Vimeo player right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on change video. Once you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see what's the Vimeo web address. You're going to scroll down and you're going to tap right there and you're going to simply paste in the link that you have copied, as you can see right there, and you can see that the video has changed. You can also scroll down, and if you would like it to autoplay, you could toggle this on. If you would like it to continually play, so for example play on loop, you can simply toggle this on right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X to close out. You can also edit other design features, for example by tapping on design right here. You can change the overlay, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.